Welcome to Piano Solutions, a restoration shop. For the last 25 years, we did a lot of restorations, mostly on Stanleys, but sometimes we get very unique pianos for restoration. And that's one of them. It's a famous American company, Knabe. And as you see, it's definitely custom pianos because uh, we don't see the pianos like that. It's probably done by the special order. I can imagine how expensive this piano was because even regular concert grand of this size probably going to be around 100,000. But this piano is probably priceless, and nobody going to do another piano like this nowadays, for sure. It's too expensive for them unless they're going to make hundreds of them. Anyway, it come to us from some house in Beverly Hills. Probably very rich people own this piano, and they didn't play it. That's why somebody offered them, and they installed the player system. Originally, this piano was not a player. It was just like designed like a player piano, but not a player piano. It's a very, very unique construction. From the bottom, it's just so heavy duty, and the plate and the harp, it's just very unusual. And the same thing, what unusual about this piano is still original harp on this piano. And of course, the soundboard in a perfect condition. And I just did, of course, certain things on this piano, mostly in damper actions, because the dampers was wear already. They've been not regulated. I just invest time and certain things in a damper action to make them work good. And of course, reinforce all the cabinet, and that's basically it. Of course, if somebody wants this piano to be restored completely, they need, of course, to do some investment in this piano, and that's gonna be the masterpiece. Anyway, as you know, what's famous about concert grands? Even this piano, 1 foot smaller than 9 footer, it means 8 foot. It still just represents the concert grand. This, of course, a unique bass and tenor section transition from tenor section to the bass is almost unnoticeable, and of course still playable and still yeah, this one definitely unique instrument, and if somebody wants something really unique, that's the only one. And we, of course, can restore it on a high level, refinish. It's possibly be done in a different, of course, colors, because that's the solid wood. It's, as you see, it's a type of mahogany, and somebody did it in just mahogany color, but it's definitely looks very authentic and can be done, of course, in a different ways. The bench is matching the piano. We're not sure if it's a original bench, but it's definitely might be original. Anyway, if somebody looking for some unique piano, that's the one. Thanks for watching, and if you want to just, if you got some questions, we feel comfortable to call us. Thanks, bye.